I truly believe that I am a modern day Mae West, and I'm here to prove that fact at any cost. That dame was exactly like me. We share this philosophy. I'm not the type who's ready for dating someone steady. Everybody's girl. On Saturday it's Danny. On Sunday, Payday Manny. I'm everybody's girl. There's a point to my behavior, which is good girls always share their riches. So if your heart succumbs, don't let it. You're certain to regret it. Or others come and get it. I'm everybody's girl. You know, I could never be a cowhand's girl. Ow, 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 ow. And you wanna know why?
Why?
I just can't keep my calves together. Ow, 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 ow. Some old Greek named Aristotle said it. If you've got it, why not spread it? So don't go rattling any sabers, exuding any labors. Just share me with your neighbors. I'm everybody's girl. So if your passion rages, I'm in the yellow pages under you won't be disappointed. I'm also double jointed. Ow, 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 ow. It leaves a lot of fellas cursing. I'm a person needs displacing. So to reaffirm my status, it's absolutely gratis to share my apparatus. I'm everybody's girl. You know, the other day, I was walking across the cow pasture and a bull started chasing me. I was so tired, I ran. I ran across that cow pasture with that bull chasing me. I jumped over a fence. There was a farmer standing there, and he said, "What's the matter, little lady? Afraid of a bull?" I said, "No, I'm not afraid of any bull. But what would I do with the calf in a 3-room apartment?"
Ladies and gentlemen, once again, the founder of Faux Girls, Miss Victoria's Secret.